Hey folks, Doc here. Hi folks. It's a momentous day for me. I just bought this WD Allis-Chalmers on the trailer. I don't need another tractor, but I bought it. It's a really nice tractor, cosmetically restored. It has a pretty decent paint job on it, straight sheet metal. Been restored probably 30 plus years, and owned by a notable member of the local tractor club. He passed away, and I bought it from his daughter, who I happen to work with. And so I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to show it a little bit, probably do some tractor rides, that type of thing. It's way too nice for me to really use it around the property a whole lot. I may do a few odds and ends, but generally speaking, it won't get a lot of use in that regard. So yeah, goes through all four gears. Runs a little rough. I got to do some work on that, but that I can take care of the mechanical part. Got a few odds and ends on the paint that I need to do some work to, but again, I can take care of that. It's not the end of the world, and I'm pretty happy with it. It was a pretty good price, and somebody needed to get it who will take care of it. I'm going to put it in the garage, and it'll be mine until I don't need a tractor anymore. So pretty happy with it. I'll show it to you when I get home.